Well, it's been about 1 year since I started the lawn renovation on this property here. A year ago, this was 75% crabgrass in the lawn, and what I did was, when the lawn went dormant, I sprayed with quinclorac to kill all the crabgrass. Still had some regular red fescue grass, but then I aerated, dethatched, then I overseeded pretty heavily, started watering, and with perennial ryegrass, and it's got a little bit of a mix of other grasses, but pretty much perennial ryegrass. It's really done good, you can tell. Nice and thick. Been pretty happy with it for 1 year. But I do have a few problems. So here's an example of a problem area. You can see there's some pretty broadleaf grasses here. And I thought initially this might have been more crabgrass, but it's not. It's quack grass. And you cannot really kill quack grass with a normal herbicide. You can use Roundup on it, but then you're going to kill everything in this area and have to reseed it. So after looking at some options, I decided to get down on my hands and knees and individually pull each plant up, even though they continue to go through rhizomes in the ground to replant itself. If they get smothered out, they can you can pretty much arrest the expansion of it. Some people, when they don't pay attention to these areas, every year they get bigger and bigger and bigger. Pretty soon you have no choice but to kind of do a complete kill of the area. So this is one area I haven't done yet. I'll show you a plot that I did do. So here's a spot. It's probably 3 foot by 4 foot that about 2 weeks ago was full of that quack grass, and I got down on my hands and knees. It only took maybe 15 minutes to pull all the pieces just with my hands, and I overseeded it with, again, perennial ryegrass. It hasn't filled in completely yet, but it's actually really good. There's not any quack grass left in this area. I'm going to probably have to put down some more seed and rake it in, and hopefully this will fill in thicker before the end of the season here. Here's another spot that I did do. It didn't take to the seed as good, so I'll probably have to be redoing this too. But I'm happy to see there isn't any quack grass left in this patch here. I'll call this the backyard. It's actually the side yard plus the backyard. Originally there were 3 huge trees here, one there, and one there. They've all died. I've had to take them down over the years. The last one I did was right here. So about 2 weeks ago I did drill a bunch of holes and pour down some of that tree stump killer, and try to get it to dry out some more. I'll probably end up with a video showing you how I burned this down. I did put topsoil on it and seed over it earlier this year, but all of that washed away. It really needs to be dropped down further. I'd rather not bring in a grinder. I want to see how I can do it just by burning it down, just to get the experience. But the backyard's looking very good. Nice and green. We've got a good amount of rain this August, September, so pretty happy with this. What a change from a year ago. Back over at the first spot that I pointed out. This is what it looks like before I pull the quack grass plants up. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, this looks like it was about 5 minutes of work. Got pulled out every one of the plants. to take a closer look at these. This is what you want to do. You want to get the root. You can see how tough these stalks are. They're definitely much thicker. You can feel them. They're kind of like hay or straw. That kind of thick grass. So that's what you want to get pulled out and get rid of these things. Alright, just put some seed down. Give it a little drink. Wait for it to grow.